In this video, I will compare the Oura Ring 5 and the Google Fitbit Air to help you decide which discreet wearable is right for your lifestyle. The Oura Ring 5 is the gold standard for those who want a completely invisible experience. By placing sensors on the finger, Oura claims to offer more accurate readings for over 50 health metrics that directly impact your daily readiness. It is built for longevity and wellness, featuring a premium design that looks like jewelry rather than a gadget. The Oura Ring 4 starts at $349, and the new model continues this high-end trend with specialized features like the symptom radar and advanced sleep stage tracking. If you want a daily compass that guides your recovery without ever needing to wear something on your wrist, Oura is the clear winner. It even allows you to use FSA or HSA funds for your purchase, making it a professional-grade health tool for serious tracking. On the other side of the comparison, we have the Google Fitbit Air, which takes a very different approach to minimalism. While Oura stays on the finger, the Fitbit Air is a tiny, screenless pebble designed for your wrist. At just $99, it is significantly more affordable than the Oura Ring, making it the best option for those on a budget. It offers a week-long battery life and fast charging that provides a full day of power in just 5 minutes. While Oura focuses on readiness, the Fitbit Air excels at seamless activity tracking, automatically detecting workouts and syncing them to the Google Health app. It is a fantastic choice if you want to swap out your Pixel Watch for something lighter at night.